When you need to travel to multiple destinations in one trip, optimizing your driving route in Google Maps can save both time and fuel. Instead of following a random order, Google Maps allows you to structure stops efficiently, so the total distance and travel time are reduced. To begin, open Google Maps in your browser and click Directions. Enter your starting location to create the base of your route. This is the point where your journey will begin. Next, add your first destination. Once it appears, continue building your route by clicking Add Destination for each additional stop you need to include. You can enter all locations at once before finalizing the order. After all stops are added, Google Maps will display them in a list. At this stage, the order of destinations becomes very important. The default order may not be the most efficient route. To optimize your trip, drag and rearrange the stops manually. Google Maps will automatically recalculate the route each time you change the order. This allows you to experiment with different sequences and immediately see which one produces the shortest travel time or least distance. As you adjust the order, pay attention to the total travel duration shown on the route. Even small changes in stop order can significantly reduce driving time, especially in areas with heavy traffic or complex road networks. You can also enable the traffic layer in Google Maps to check for congestion along different parts of your route. This helps you avoid delays and choose paths that are not heavily affected by traffic buildup. In some cases, the shortest distance is not always the fastest option. Google Maps factors in real-time traffic conditions, so the optimized route may change depending on time of day and road activity. Once you find the most efficient order, review the full route from start to finish. Make sure each stop is correctly placed and that the sequence matches your travel needs. This method is especially useful for delivery routes, errands, business visits, and road trips where efficiency matters. By planning ahead, you can reduce unnecessary backtracking and make your journey smoother. And that's how you optimize driving routes with multiple destinations in Google Maps. Add all stops, rearrange their order, and use real-time routing updates to choose the fastest overall path.